Hey, this is Rahul, and how's it going, everyone? Going through some personal issues, sleepless nights. So, sunglasses. Anyways, back to today's topic. My 2025 new motovlogging setup with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Let me set it up on the desk and show you what it's all about. Firstly, the helmet. This is the HEC Alpha 11 Call of Duty Ghost graphics. Now you have the camera, which is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and we're using ND filters. So these are ND filters from Telesin, and we have 4 filters in the box. One is the CPL. This is for your dusk rides when you want to capture more details into the sunset sky or maybe in early morning. But all other purposes, the ND16, which is on the camera right now, and the ND32 are the most useful for bright sunny conditions. ND8, not that much. I wanted to show you why this setup is so beautiful. This is the Osmo Action 5 and it has a USB-C mic input. You don't need any adapters. If you buy this Sennheiser mic, I'll put the links to everything in the description below. If you buy this mic, it just goes directly into the camera and you don't need any adapters. The audio quality you will see in the test, it's pretty good. I've also gone out last night without the audio, but I want to show you how good the night footage is. So I will have that entire clip attached at the end of the video. But for now, my friend's almost here. I will be using his bike today. I forgot to mention that this mic, you just stick it under inside your chin curtain, and to secure it, you just use a little bit of duct tape. It's just a couple of minutes, and this is a magnetic mount, so it snaps in just quite quickly. This is by DJI, the magnetic mount. The additional thing has been provided by a chin mount solution. They make special chin mounts which specifically fit your helmet, so it's a very minimalistic, secure setup. I'll put the links again in the description, and the mounting is just 1 second, so it's super easy. You can set it up in 5 minutes and you're ready to go. And I forgot to mention, the quality is awesome. Today I'm gonna share it with all of you guys, so let's go. Testing the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Settings are 4K 60 FPS. I can record vertical in this camera as well because they come with a frame, and the frame lets you mount it vertical, but currently we have mounted the camera directly, so it is just wanted to try the conventional motovlogging setup. We have an ND filter on, so 4K 60 FPS, and I think we will be able to see motion blur if you go a little bit faster. At 60 FPS, the motion blur is lesser than if you record at 30 FPS, but 60 FPS videos look a little bit smoother, which is better for action, sports, any kind of activity. I'd prefer 60 FPS, but sometimes if I'm shooting something cinematic, I'd go down to 30 or even 24 if it requires, and double the shutter speed. So if you have double the shutter speed with that's the rule basically. Whatever is your FPS, suppose you're shooting 60 FPS, then your shutter speed is 120. If you're shooting 30 FPS, your shutter speed is 60. Currently we are partly cloudy with a bit of sun. We're using ND16. Closer to the walls and try to see if we can get a little bit of motion blur. Now, riding in India, you have to be a little bit more careful and today we're riding in peak traffic, so I cannot go really fast and show you the motion blur effect. So this is more of a test vlog. Today's bike courtesy, the Bong Tourer. He's on Instagram. He has a used car dealership, so that's him, Shovik. So he has this business. If you want any used cars, you can definitely contact him. We're checking the car before riding it in. Something I like, the Duster. This car, they discontinued it. I don't know why. It was always so popular. It was a huge car, quite good, robust, reliable. Probably the car which gave Renault the footprint in India. This is Rahul signing off. Goodbye.